Before we get into this video, make sure to like and subscribe to help grow our channel. The ASUS TUF Gaming NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super OC Edition. Gaming graphics card is one of the latest and most powerful graphics cards in the market. This PCIe 4.0 graphics card is an upgraded version of its predecessor, the RTX 3070, and promises to deliver top-of-the-line performance and exceptional visuals for gaming enthusiasts. The history of this graphics card can be traced back to the launch of the NVIDIA RTX 30 series in 2020. This series saw the introduction of the highly anticipated Ampere architecture, which promised to deliver an unparalleled gaming experience. The RTX 3070 was released as a more affordable option compared to the higher-end RTX 3080 and 3090, but it still boasted impressive specifications and performance. With the ASUS TUF Gaming NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super OC Edition, the company has taken the game to a whole new level. This graphics card features the latest NVIDIA Ampere architecture, combined with a whopping 16 GB GDDR6X memory. This makes it the perfect choice for gaming at 4K resolution, as well as for heavy-duty tasks such as video editing and rendering. The most significant upgrade from its predecessor, the RTX 3070, is the increased number of CUDA cores. The RTX 4070 Ti Super has 6,144 compared to the 3072 in the RTX 3070, making it 2x more powerful. This translates to faster rendering times, smoother gameplay, and overall better performance. In terms of comparison to AMD graphics cards, the RTX 4070 Ti Super holds its ground against the AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT in terms of performance. However, NVIDIA has the upper hand in terms of exclusive features such as NVIDIA DLSS, deep learning supersampling, and RTX ray tracing technology. These features provide a significant advantage in terms of enhanced visuals and overall immersive gaming experience. One of the standout features of the ASUS TUF Gaming NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super OC Edition is its cooling system. The triple fan setup, combined with ASUS TUF compatibility and durability, makes it a reliable option for long hours of intense gaming. This graphics card also boasts a 2.7 slot design, providing better heat dissipation and ensuring a more stable and efficient performance. In terms of ports, the RTX 4070 Ti Super has HDMI 2, 1A, and DisplayPort 1. 4A, allowing for a smooth 8K display at 30 Hz and 4K display at 120 Hz respectively. This is a notable improvement from the 3070, which only supports 4K at 60 Hz. One of the few drawbacks of this graphics card is its steep price point. With a retail price of $899, it is definitely on the higher end of the spectrum. This might not be the ideal choice for budget-minded gamers, and they might find better value with other graphics cards such as the RTX 3070 or the AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT. Overall, the ASUS TUF Gaming NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super OC Edition gaming graphics card delivers on its promise of high performance and top-of-the-line visuals. Its improved specs and advanced features make it a worthy upgrade from its predecessor, the RTX 3070. As we wrap up this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Overall, if you are looking for a new GPU and have money to spend, this is definitely the GPU for you to buy.